This little airboss on the beat, and I'm about to spit some heat. Yesterday I got so hungry that I had to go and eat. So I had a bit coming on me. I ate that bit like a treat. Put it on the rough like a cleat. Then I hit it with a combo. Skeet, skeet, skeet. So hard that we had to go and change the sheet. But then I got hungry again. Like I was locked in the pen. Bit on my knee, asking God to forgive me for my last sin. I was so hungry I could eat a hen. It was like my stomach was made of tin. Ringing in my stomach like a siren. Calling our name all out like I'm Irene. So what I had to do was buy a plate. When I ate the plate, it gave me a clean slate. I'm glad I'm not hungry no more. I'm not hungry no more.